Hello and welcome back to another video of Circuit Digest. So in this video I am going to interface JSN SR04T waterproof ultrasonic sensor with Arduino Nano. So this is my complete setup, and here I have connected one Arduino Nano ultrasonic sensor, 16:2 LCD display, and one 10K potentiometer. So if we talk about this waterproof ultrasonic sensor, then it is a distance measurement sensor module that can provide 25 cm to 450 cm non-contact distance measurement. And this sensor module comes in two separate parts. So one part is this controller board, and second part is this transducer module. So this sensor is very similar to the ultrasonic sensor that you found on car bumpers. And if we compare this waterproof ultrasonic sensor with our regular HCSR04, then if you look at the controller board, then both the board are similar and uses same components, but there's one major difference is this transducer and this cable. So as you can see here, it has two transducer, one for transmitting and another for receiving, and both are mounted on the PCB. But in this sensor, the transducer is connected through a cable, and this cable is around 4 meter long. So we can use the sensor in outdoors, and it is waterproof also. So we can use it in water or in rainy weather or in harsh environments where we can't use this one because it is not waterproof and it won't work in water. So let's go ahead and check the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram for interfacing waterproof ultrasonic sensor with Arduino Nano. And here the connections for this waterproof ultrasonic sensor are similar to our HCSR04. So VCC and ground pins are connected to 5 volt and ground of Arduino Nano, and trigger pin is connected to D2 while eco pin is connected to D3. And here on right side of the circuit we have connected an LCD module. So this LCD module is powered through 5 volt and ground, and the data pins are connected to D4, D5, D6 and D7 pins of Arduino Nano. And this 10K potentiometer is used to change the contrast of LCD display module. So now let's get ahead and take a look at the code that we are going to use. So the code is very similar or exactly similar to HCSR04 sensor. The only difference is the delay between trigger pin high and trigger pin low. Here we have used a delay of 15. And as you can see here, the first line of the code is we included the liquid crystal library. Then in second line we have defined the pins where Arduino Nano is connected. LCD display is connected. So RS and E pin enable pins are connected to 12 and 11, and all the 4 data pins are connected to 4, 5 and 6, 7 pin of Arduino Nano. And here we have defined the trigger and eco pin of a ultrasonic sensor. And then inside the setup function we have first begin the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate, and then we begin the LCD communication. And then in next lines we have defined the eco and trigger pin, eco pin as input and trigger pin as output, and we have write the eco pin as high in setup loop. Now inside the void loop we have first set the trigger pin low for 2 seconds, and then we have set it to high for 15 seconds so that it can transmit the wave. And then we have set the eco pin high so that it can receive the signal, and we can calculate the distance based upon the time the wave takes to return to ultrasonic sensor. And here in next line we have printed the values on serial monitor and on LCD display. So now let's go ahead and we will test this ultrasonic sensor. So now I am going to test this ultrasonic sensor against the measurement tape, and here I have put both the measurement tape and ultrasonic sensor at the same point, and I will compare both the distances that one is on this measurement tape and one is calculated by this ultrasonic sensor. So currently it is showing water level as 38, 35 or 0, and now if I put my hand at that the distance that is less than 20 centimeter, it will show me readings that are above 20 or 18 or 19, because it can't measure anything that is less than 20 centimeter or 25 centimeter. So now if I put my hand at 25 centimeter, it will show readings as 18 centimeter, and if I put my hand at 34, it is showing 28 or 27, and if I put my hand at 40, so it is showing the distance as 32 or 33 sometimes. So now let me move both this display and my camera so that we can test it on further distances. So now if I put my hand at 50 centimeter, it is showing readings as 43 or 42, and if I put my hand at approx 60, then the distance calculated by ultrasonic sensor is 52. So it has almost 6 centimeter difference between the distance calculated by ultrasonic sensor and distance that is marked on this measurement tape. So now next we are going to calculate the water level using this waterproof ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so now for testing the water level, I have this water container that is its height is approx 32 centimeter. So I have put this waterproof ultrasonic transducer at the top of this water camper, and I have filled this camper completely with water. So if I at this time if I test the water level because the distances that are less than 20 centimeter. So if I lift this transducer up and then check the water level, then you can see that as soon as this transducer goes means above the height of 20 centimeter barrier, the water level starts increasing. So this is how we can interface this waterproof ultrasonic sensor with Arduino Nano and measure the water level using it. So the complete step-by-step guide for building this project can be found at the video description. And if you have any problem regarding to this project or interfacing this sensor with Arduino or any other microcontroller, you can post your queries in the comment section, and we will try to answer your queries. And thanks for watching the video.